SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to choose what to sync with iCloud on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone comes with 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage for free, but it's pretty easy to wind up using all of the space pretty quickly, especially if you're backing up your iPhone's iCloud. So if you'd like to customize the apps and content that sync to iCloud, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then select your Apple ID card at the top of the screen, and then you can choose iCloud from the list of options here. Now you're going to look for this Apps Using iCloud section, and then you're going to tap the Show All button underneath it to see everything that can sync with iCloud. Now you're just going to want to scroll through here and select what of your apps and content you would like to sync with iCloud. For example, if I didn't want to sync Safari data with iCloud, then I could tap the button to the right of it. And then depending on what you choose, you may or may not see this pop-up menu. But if you would like to stop syncing your data for an app or content with iCloud, then you can choose to either keep that data on your iPhone or to delete it from your iPhone. I'm going to choose to delete it from my iPhone. And now once you're done looking through here and choosing what you would like to sync, then you can simply tap the iCloud button to return to the previous menu, and you're all set.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.